What if I told you that the bottle of magic liquid you pour into your engine could either extend its life by hundreds of thousands of miles or quietly destroy it from the inside out? The engine additive industry is worth billions, and every product claims to boost power, increase MPG, or make your engine last forever. But here's the truth. Some additives really do work, backed by science and used by professional mechanics, while others are nothing more than expensive scams. Today, I'll break down 13 additives that actually help, and 5 you should avoid at all costs. And wait until you hear about the one popular additive that can ruin your engine in under 5,000 miles. Why engine additives exist. Modern engines are more efficient than ever, but they also operate under higher temperatures and tighter tolerances. Additives are designed to enhance engine oil, fuel, or cooling system performance by reducing friction, preventing deposits, cleaning internal components, protecting seals and gaskets. The problem? Not all additives are created equal. Some are developed with proven chemical science. Others are marketing gimmicks. Let's separate fact from fiction. The 13 engine additives that actually help. 1. Molybdenum disulfide, MOS2, oil additives. Why it works. Molybdenum forms a slick protective layer on metal surfaces, reducing friction dramatically. This means less wear on piston rings, bearings, and cams, resulting in smoother operation and increased longevity. Best used for high-mileage engines, performance cars, or vehicles under heavy load, like towing. 2. Zinc dialkyl dithiophosphate, ZDDP. Additives. Why it works. ZDDP has been a critical anti-wear component in motor oils for decades, protecting flat tappet cams and older engine designs. Modern oils have reduced ZDDP levels for emissions reasons, so classic car owners often need supplements. Best used for classic cars, muscle cars, and older engines without roller cams. 3. PEA-based fuel system cleaners. Why it works. Polyethyramine, PEA, is the only proven fuel additive that effectively removes carbon buildup from injectors, valves, and combustion chambers. It keeps engines running efficiently and restores lost performance. Best used for direct injection engines prone to carbon buildup or vehicles showing reduced MPG. 4. Ceramic coating oil additives. Why it works. These additives use microscopic ceramic particles that embed into metal surfaces, reducing friction and creating heat-resistant protection. They're often used in racing engines and high-performance street cars. Best used for turbocharged or high-revving engines. 5. Diesel anti-gel additives. Why it works. In cold weather, diesel fuel can gel, clogging fuel lines and injectors. Anti-gel additives lower the pour point, keeping fuel flowing even in sub-zero temperatures. Best used for diesel trucks or equipment operating in freezing climates. 6. Engine seal conditioners. Why it works. These additives rejuvenate hardened rubber seals, reducing small leaks around valve covers, crankshafts, or camshafts. Best used for high-mileage engines with minor oil leaks. 7. Octane boosters, manganese-based. Why it works. High-octane fuel resists pre-ignition and knocking. Manganese-based octane boosters can safely raise octane in performance engines when premium fuel isn't available. Best used for performance or turbocharged engines requiring premium fuel. 8. Diesel fuel lubricity additives. Why it works. Ultra-low sulfur diesel, ULSD, has reduced natural lubrication, which can damage fuel pumps and injectors. Lubricity additives restore this protection, preventing premature wear. Best used for older diesel engines or any vehicle frequently using ULSD. 9. Coolant additives. The corrosion inhibitors. Why it works. These prevent rust and scale inside the cooling system, maintaining proper heat transfer and preventing overheating. Best used for vehicles in areas with hard water or extreme climates. 10. Engine flush additives, mild detergent-based. Why it works. Safe engine flushes dissolve sludge and deposits before an oil change, improving oil flow and preventing blockages. Best used for engines with unknown service history or visible sludge under the oil cap. 11. Friction, modifier additives, boron-based. Why it works. Boron compounds reduce friction and improve film strength in oil, helping engines run cooler and last longer. Best used for high-mileage cars experiencing noisy valve trains or minor performance loss. 12. Stabilizers for stored vehicles. Why it works. Fuel stabilizers prevent gasoline from oxidizing and forming varnish during long storage periods, saving you from hard starts or clogged injectors. Best used for seasonal vehicles like motorcycles, boats, or collector cars. 13. Upper cylinder lubricants for older engines. Why it works. These additives lubricate the top end of the cylinder where modern low-sulfur fuels offer less natural protection. Best used for carbureted engines or older vehicles running on modern unleaded fuel. Why you shouldn't just add anything. Adding the wrong product can do more harm than good. In fact, some additives interact poorly with modern synthetic oils or catalytic converters, leading to clogs, emissions issues, or even engine damage. In the second half of this script, we'll cover the 5 additives you should never use, and why one in particular is notorious for wrecking engines in under 5,000 miles. 5 additives that can ruin your engine. 1. PTFE Teflon additives. Why it's bad. PTFE-based additives promise to coat engine internals with a non-stick surface. The problem? PTFE particles can clog fine oil passages and filters, starving your engine of lubrication where it needs it most. Tests have shown minimal to no benefit and, in some cases, accelerated wear. Real-world risk. Engines running high-pressure oiling systems or variable valve timing are especially vulnerable to blockages caused by solid particles. 2. Chlorinated paraffin additives. Why it's bad? These additives are sometimes marketed as extreme pressure lubricants that can handle crazy loads. But when exposed to heat and moisture, like inside an engine, they break down into hydrochloric acid, which corrodes metal surfaces. Real-world risk. Acidic byproducts can eat away at bearings, cam lobes, and even the crankshaft journals, leading to catastrophic failure. 3. Cheap stop leak additives. Why it's bad. While high-quality seal conditioners rejuvenate rubber seals, cheap stop leak additives often use petroleum distillates that swell and soften seals unnaturally. This may temporarily stop leaks, but destroys seals long-term, causing bigger leaks and sometimes clogging oil passages. Real-world risk. Small leaks turn into full-blown oil gushers, and sludge buildup from these additives accelerates engine wear. 4. Miracle MPG boosters. Unregulated combustion enhancers. Why it's bad. Many additives promise 20% better fuel economy or military-grade combustion enhancement. Most of these products lack testing and often rely on alcohols or solvents that increase combustion chamber temperatures and wash oil off cylinder walls. Real-world risk. This can lead to piston ring scoring, reduced compression, and oil consumption. Plus, some of these additives can damage oxygen sensors and catalytic converters. 5. Thickening oil additives for worn engines. Why it's bad. These are marketed as engine honey or super thick oil stabilizers that quiet noises and reduce oil burning. In reality, they mask symptoms instead of fixing them, while causing starvation of critical parts, especially during cold starts when oil already struggles to flow. Real-world risk: starved valve trains, cam bearings, and turbochargers, if equipped, fail faster, turning a minor oil consumption issue into a complete engine rebuild. How to choose the right additive. Read your owner's manual. If the manual specifically warns against certain types of additives, follow that guidance. Many modern engines already have oil blends optimized for their internal tolerances. Look for independent testing. Choose additives that have documented testing from SAE, ASTM, or well-known automotive labs, not just customer testimonials. Use additives as preventive maintenance, not repairs. Good additives support healthy engines. They don't fix broken ones. If you have knocking, low oil pressure, or major leaks, additives are not a substitute for mechanical repairs. Match additives to your needs. High mileage commuter? Consider a mild friction modifier and fuel system cleaner. Seasonal car? Use a stabilizer and anti-corrosion coolant additive. Diesel owner? Lubricity and anti-gel additives can save your fuel system. Trends and expert insights. Direct injection engines. These engines are prone to carbon buildup on intake valves since fuel doesn't wash them clean. PA-based fuel cleaners have become almost mandatory for these systems. Turbocharged engines. With increased heat and pressure, ceramic coating and high-quality friction modifiers are growing in popularity for enthusiasts and fleet users alike. Eco-conscious additives. The market is moving toward environmentally safe formulas. Phosphorus-free, chlorine-free, and biodegradable additives, without sacrificing performance. Psychological impact for car owners. Car owners often feel anxious when engines develop noises or minor leaks. Additives promise quick fixes, creating a sense of control and immediate action. However, this psychology can be dangerous when it leads to dumping multiple unknown additives into your oil or fuel. That's why following proven, expert-recommended solutions matters. It keeps your engine safe and gives you peace of mind without the risks. Your challenge. Look at your current engine oil and fuel maintenance routine. Choose one proven additive from the good list to try during your next oil change or fuel fill-up. Drop a comment. Which additive have you used and what were your results? Did it save your engine or did it cause problems? Your feedback could help others avoid scams and keep their engines running strong for hundreds of thousands of miles. Final thoughts. Additives aren't magic, but when chosen wisely, they can reduce wear, improve performance, and extend engine life. The key is knowing which ones are backed by science and which ones belong in the trash. Follow these proven formulas, avoid the 5 notorious engine killers, and you'll have peace of mind every time you turn the key.